Youth Ministries for Peace and Justice was founded in 1995. We formed a multi-service agency that provides youth services as well as adult services in response to the fact that there are no organizations in our existing community of the Bronx River Soundview neighborhood.
We started to provide immigration services as well as public benefit entitlements. So we've been doing that for quite a long time. We do have experienced staff who are accredited representatives, and also with the FDC, which is Family Development Credentialized.
My name is David Shuffler. I'm the Executive Director of Youth Ministries for Peace and Justice.
My name is Henry Lahana, and I'm one of the directors here at YMPJ.
The Bronx Immigration Partnership is a new coalition of 6 organizations throughout the Bronx that address immigration issues. And the reason why we formed this coalition is because what we know is that New York City is going to experience an increase of people in the next few years. Many of those people are coming to the Bronx. And the fact that the Bronx has been underserved and has a lack of resources, what we found as Youth Ministries is that we can address the issues of immigration solely as Youth Ministries for Peace and Justice. So we partnered with like-minded organizations that provide similar services and extend to areas that we don't provide services. And we're here to address immigration issues not only for Bronx residents, but New York City residents as well. And this year, again, like many other years, it's going to be our year for us to bring community residents together, highlight the victories of the past, and really plan out what the future looks like for this neighborhood. The Bronx River waterfront, creating access to the waterfront, immigration services, entitlement benefit services, emergency food services, including our soup kitchen, tax site for free. This is good. I mean, we do a lot. Imagine you have to remember all this stuff. We do a whole lot.